guys, मैं हूँ दीक्षा शेट्टी. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a beautiful salwar suit unboxing from Jomso. It's a highly requested video and not a sponsored one. So without wasting time, let's get started. Let's see how the product is. Now Jomso's packaging you guys already know, so let's just straight away come to unboxing part. The suit comes in this bright yellow color, and this is a neck. They've given this golden and silver embroidery detailing over the neck, and there's like sweetheart neck detailing. So the design is same till the bust part. So below the bust they have given like a pleating, very well made guys. You can't see the stitches at all, and below that there is like this pastel pink and green colored floral design with like rhinestones stuck. Again guys, the rhinestones you see here is like very well stuck. Not even a single rhinestone came off, so I'm sure they've used a very good glue, and this might not come off even after washing. So if it does not come, then it is a good point. To the extreme end there is this beautiful embroidery design, again in like pastel pink and green color and in golden. The thread work is so beautiful guys, and there's like so many rhinestones stuck. It's like glittery, shiny. So really nice. And to the extreme bottom they've given this golden colored lace detailing with like pearl beadings over here in golden as well. So the finishing is very good. On the other side guys, this is the embroidery detailing which they have given. There is no threads here and there, so the finishing is really good and on point. Even the stitches over here, so very well made. And this is the back of the suit. So they've given like plain till the back part, and below the back there's like the same floral pastel design, same design, and like a huge border design on the bottom. The sleeve guys, they've given this georgette fabric, a little transparent georgette fabric, and then this golden design, golden embroidery work. There's like a lot of rhinestones again stuck here, very good quality glue. You can see here I'm using a lot of pressure to pull this away. And on the other side again the finishing is good. Now in case if you don't like full sleeves, you can remove it off, but I think this is going to look good with like full sleeves. On the inner side they have given this beautiful soft satin fabric as a inner lining, so it's a good plus point. Guys, this is a floor length anarkali suit, so in case if you're like 5.6 or more than that, this is like perfect on you. In case if you're short, you can always go for heels. This is the bottom fabric guys. They're given like a silk yellow color fabric, and there's no design, it's just plain fabric, and they've provided around 2 meters of fabric. And because it's a floor length anarkali dress, you can actually skip getting a bottom stitch on this. Next, coming to the dupatta, they have given this pastel blue green color dupatta fabric. It's net fabric, very soft net. You can see the way I'm pleating it, it's very soft and easy. And to the border they have given this embroidery in green and pink, very nice, very well made. If you see the other side, you can see how the stitching is. And all throughout the dupatta there's this beautiful silver embroidery. I really like this, and the length of this is also very good and long, and it's not at all stiff guys. It's standing like the way I wanted to, so I really like this one. Now coming to the comparison guys, the product shown in the website and what I received is almost the same. It's 100% similar. The design, everything, the color, the embroidery work, everything is good and exactly like how it is shown there. So I would like to rate it 5 out of 5 because I really loved what I received. About the price, the original price of this was 3,899 and the discounted price is just 1,999, which I think is a super good deal. In case if you're looking for a beautiful anarkali suit, then this is the one you have to go for. So in case if you want to purchase this guys, I'm going to give the link in my description box, or you can directly go to jomso.com and type this product code and you will see the product. And if you're new to my channel and don't know about Jomso, then let me tell you guys, Jomso sells all kind of Indian ethnic wear, and they do have cash on delivery option. They do ship worldwide for an extra shipping charge, and the return policy is also very simple. Once you receive the product, within 7 days you have to mail them, and they're going to arrange for a return. So that's it guys. I hope you liked today's video. If you did, do let me know in the comment section below, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and share. I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.